Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this Math Olympiad geometry problem, we are finding the area of these three squares in which there is inscribed semicircle and the length of one side, which is 5 units. And we are finding the area of these three squares. So if we let the one side of the smaller square, which is x, and the middle square, which is y, then if we let then the total length of this side and this side and this side also equal, because this is a square. So this is also a y, this is also x, this is also x, and this is also x, and this is y, and this is also y. So this is the length of x and this is the length of y. So the total length of the bigger square, which is x plus y. This is also x plus y, and this is this side also x plus y. And if we see, this is a inscribed semicircle. If we convert this semicircle into a right triangle, then if we meet these two and this side to this, then we get a right triangle. This is a semicircle. If we meet all these sides, then we get a right triangle. And if we meet this side to this side, then we get three similar right triangle. This is one, this is one right triangle, and this is second right triangle. This is second right triangle, and we get a triangle. This is a bigger triangle. This is a bigger right triangle. If we name these right triangle to, if we just name this A, and this is B, and this is B, then this is right triangle. So if we add these two terms, A plus B, we get 90, because this is a right triangle. These angles are same, these are similar right triangle. If we were to align these two of them up like this, we could get set up like a proportion. So this smaller side, if we see the smaller side, which is this is the smaller side, which is our this is x. This is x because then this is also x. If we see the smaller right triangle, then this two side will be this is y and this is x. So this smaller triangle, which is equal to y minus x, and this is y, and this is this side also. If we see this right triangle, and this side will be y, and this is side also y. And in this side, we can see that this is the middle right triangle, which is equal to, this is equal to x, and this is x plus y. So x plus x, x plus y, which is equal to 2x plus y. This side will be equal to 2x plus y. So this if we up to like this, we could get set up to a proportion. So the smaller side divided by the middle side of one right triangle to the smaller side divided by the middle side of another right triangle. So we can use the proportion, which is smaller to divide by middle, which is proportion to smaller of another right triangle by divided by another middle right triangle. If we see the length of this side, we can know that this side is also equal to x plus y and this side equal to y. So total this total length will be equal to the total length will be equal to y plus x plus y, which is equal to 5, and we get x plus 2y, which is equal to 5. This is our one equation. So if we use this proportion, then we can get smaller side, which is equal to y minus x divided by y middle. So side, then in this middle right triangle, we can get smaller side, which is equal to y, and the middle side, which is equal to 2x plus y. So if we cross multiply these two terms, we can get y square, which is equal to y multiply 2x, we can get 2xy, and y multiply y square, and minus 2 multiply x 2x square, and multiply minus x plus y minus xy. So in this term we can get y square, which is equal to 2xy. In this side, these two terms are same term, so we can subtract 2xy to xy. We can get xy plus y square minus 2x square. So this is a y square, this is also y square. We can subtract y square on both sides, then subtracting y square on both sides, these two cancel and these two term cancel, and we can get left hand side, which is 0, which is equal to, in right hand side we can get xy minus 2x square. So if we take common of x on both sides, this side we can get y minus x, and in this side we can compare, then x which is equal to 0 and 2x, and y which is equal to y minus 2x, which is equal to 0, and y which is equal to 2x. We can get y which is equal to 2x, and we put the value of y in this equation, which is x plus 2y, which is equal to 5. Then we put the value of y 2x, x plus 2x, which is equal to 5. Then we get x plus 4x, which is equal to 5. Then 5x, which is equal to 5. Dividing 5 on both sides, we can get x, which is equal to 1. So if we put the value of x in this equation, we have y which is equal to 2x, then y is equal to 2, 1. Then we get the value of y which is equal to 1. So our main aim is to find the value of these three square. Then this is the smaller square, this is the middle square, and this is the larger square. So we know the length of smaller square is x, and the length of middle square is y, and the length of greater square is x plus y. So we can get the value of x and y. X which is equal to 1, so this side also equal to 1, this is also 1, this is also 1, and the length of y which is equal to 2, then this is equal to 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, and the length of bigger side, which is x plus y, which is 1 plus 2, which is equal to 1 plus 2, 3, then this is 3, this is 3, this is 3. So the area which is equal to length by width, so this is 1, this is 4, this is 9. So our total area will be total area which is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is equal to 14 units. So our total this is these three square, the total area of these three square, which is equal to 14 unit. So this is our final answer.